Illustrator makes it quite easy to wrap text around a piece of artwork to create an integrated design. You can virtually wrap text around any piece of artwork that you wish. Let's see how this works. I'm beginning this video with the textwrap.ai file already open on my computer. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in on this so we can see this a little bit better. And you can see that I've got two components here. I've got an area type object that has text flowed within there. And then this is simply a piece of artwork. Now this was a font at one time, but it's been converted to outlines. So what I'm going to do with this object selected, I'm going to go to the object menu, come down to text wrap, and I'm going to choose make. And the minute that I choose that, you're going to notice that the text is wrapping around that object. Now, one thing I want to point out is that in order for text wrap to work, you'll notice if I go to Object, Arrange, and choose Send to Back, that the text is not affected by the text wrap. So in Illustrator, in order for this text wrap to apply, it has to be in front of the text that you want it to wrap. So I'll go to Object, Arrange, Bring to Front, and now we can see that the wrap is being applied. Now, for additional control, we can select this artwork, and I'm going to go to Object, Text Wrap, and choose Text Wrap Options. And this allows me to control the offset, or essentially the distance between the artwork and the text itself. So if I turn my preview on, you'll see that as I increase this value, I'm pushing the text further away or less distance than what I had defined. So maybe I'll go ahead and set this to 8. That looks pretty good. And we'll go ahead and click OK. Now, as you're working, you may decide at some point that you no longer want this object to do any wrapping of text. And if that's the case, you can go ahead and select this, and we'll go to Object, Text Wrap, and choose Release. And that then releases it to standard artwork, and it's no longer performing any wrapping. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And as you can see, it's easy to wrap text around a piece of art in Illustrator. It provides a lot of options and control that are sure to meet your own needs.